Hey, welcome back, y'all. I'm going to go fly around the pattern a couple times at the local strip here and just get some flying in before the sun goes down. It's been getting dark early. Today is the shortest day of the year, so I'm going to try to get a little bit of that light since I just got off work and go fly. So let's see what happens. Clear prop. All right, well, that was fun. That was a beautiful sunset. It was fun flying, and I'm getting used to the approaches in here towards the house. It's, as you can see my breath, it's chilly out here, but the cabin heat in this thing works pretty well, and the engine warms up fine. And yeah, so things I'm dealing with in the new hangar. I've got insulation, like I said before, and I've got no heat, but eventually one day I'll put some heat in here and it'll be no problem. But for now, make things work. It's a nice hangar, so can't beat that. All right, well, thanks for watching, and follow along. I'll have some new videos out here soon, probably. An engine hopefully going in real soon, as long as it ships. So we'll see. See ya.